Welcome. I am Dickson Mbeya, an award-winning cartographer with a decade plus of experience working in the GIS field. I am passionate about helping you unlock the full power of QGIS, whether you are mapping, analyzing spatial data, or building workflows. If you get on board on this mentorship program, I will guide you step by step, provide personalized feedback, and support you from start to finish. Let's master QGIS together. This is going to be a QGIS Mastery Mentorship session. 5 weeks of hands-on sessions with 10 mentees. What do you master throughout this program? You master QGIS fundamentals. You learn the key QGIS fundamentals that will help you start working with GIS data and QGIS in QGIS, including working with map projections, styling data, and data management. You will also be able to perform spatial analysis. You harness the QGIS spatial analysis capabilities. For instance, you'll be able to perform buffer analysis, overlays, spatial joins to solve geospatial related problems. You'll also be able to automate workflows with QGIS processing toolbox and expressions to maximize the use of your time. You'll also be able to design publication quality maps, learning the principles of map design in QGIS through the choice of right styles to transform complex and analysis outputs into visually appealing narratives. Why should you join this program? You get personalized guidance from an expert who has been working in the GIS field for the past 10 years. You'll be able to have an opportunity to master the leading open source desktop GIS, QGIS. You'll also be able to expand your skill set and position yourself career ready for future opportunities. You'll also be able to connect with like-minded peers, broadening your knowledge and you broadening your community and building your network. The program is going to run from the 4th of August 2025 up to the 7th of September 2025. Who is eligible for this program? Number one, you need to be ready to spare 120 minutes for visual mentorship sessions during weekends. You need to be between 18 to 35 years old, and you should not be currently enrolled in any GIS academic program or any certification program. You should not have graduated from any GIS-related program or a certificate program. You should also be comfortable using basic computer applications such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Finally, you should be able to read, write, and communicate in English clearly, because these sessions will be delivered in English. Why wait? Express your interest now by following the link in the comments. See you